how you found ITCS and on what basis till date how you liked our services and all.
Sir, I found out ITCS because one of my cousin also went through ITCS and her reviews were like really good. They were like everything he provides from the base till the leaving university, till we leave graduate, they will take care of us. So because of that, my cousin suggested me to go to ITCS. So we came here and we also found out that everything is absolutely true and very wonderful journey through them. From passport to everything, they have taken care of.
ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದಿರ ಇರೋರು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾನು ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ITCS ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
Very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. We are traveling today to one of the reputed and prestigious University of Russia, Penza State University. In the series of making doctors from India, today we have Rishitha from Bangalore, and in this short interview we just try to understand how they liked our services, on what basis they have shortlisted the university, and what is today her feeling that as traveling to abroad first time by leaving her mother. In this particular video we will also try to understand what was the overall feels of mother as sending daughter to abroad. It's not for a small duration, it's for a 6-year long duration. Hello Rishitha.
Hello, sir.
Very good morning. So Rishitha, first of all I just want to know how you found ITCS and on what basis till date how you liked our services and all.
Sir, I found out ITCS because one of my cousin also went through ITCS and her reviews were like really good. They were like everything he provides from the base till the leaving university, till we leave graduate, they will take care of us. So because of that, my cousin suggested me to go to ITCS. So we came here and we also found out that everything is absolutely true and very wonderful journey through them. From passport to everything, they have taken care of. She's already a 6-year student. Yeah.
Okay. So like you you shortlisted the university Penza. So for that have you done any kind of research work before finalizing the university and all?
No sir, like after coming to ITCS they explained like all of the universities. Like after explaining everything, I shortlisted this one because I felt Penza as there is hostel food throughout the 6 years. Hostel is also provided and also great faculties, and also I was like okay, Penza is like a really good university, reputed university. So yeah.
In the beginning you told that some of your known cousin is already studying. They are studying in the same university.
No, they're not studying in the same university.
Achha, they're studying in a different university.
Yeah, they're studying in a different
Okay,
university.
okay. But although they suggested you to go with this
Yeah.
actually.
Because
So
this
that-
is better.
So that you can understand what the challenges they are facing there.
Yeah.
So
Especially for food purpose.
So to overcome that, they have suggested you go for a kind of
Yeah.
university. Okay. So till now, how you satisfied with our services and all?
Sir, it's like really good. 10 out of 10.
Mm.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Madam, I just like to know from your end a brief review about the ITCS till date as we connected from the last 2.5 months almost. Even though my Kannada is not fluent, but every time whenever you ask, I have replied you.
Yeah.
All the answers I have
Whenever
given.
I had called you, you had
I'd
replied
like
as
that-
soon as possible,
Yeah.
and you had messaged me at least when you are in abroad. You messaged me that you will text me. When you got free, called me. You are in touch from all this time. Whenever I was facing difficulties, you solved my problems.
Thank you, thank you.
Solved my all issues.
Thank you.
I'm living stay
Please
free to send my daughter to abroad.
Madam, just you can give some comments in Kannada so that local student can understand about my services.
ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದಿರ ಇರೋರು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾನು ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ITCS ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು ITCS ಮುಖಾಂತರ.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Sir, last, as today daughter is traveling to abroad. You can speak in Kannada. You can speak in Kannada only. Today daughter is traveling to abroad. Okay.
ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ITCS ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Thank you, and thanks for giving service opportunity. As like in the next 10 minutes, we'll start our journey from Bangalore to Delhi and then further Delhi to Moscow. So do entire your packings properly, keep things as guided, and follow me for the further steps. Okay? Thank you. And all the during this entire journey, whatever the messages, updates, you will get how my messages are getting. Like that, you will get through that. My mobile is always connected even in Russia also. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, and you stay connected with us for getting more information into making doctors from India. Thank you.